This one report shows you what real shoppers search for before buying your product on Amazon. Super important data, so all you have to do is just go into your Amazon Seller Central account, go to Advertising Campaign Manager. Once you're in Campaign Manager, then you're going to go into Reports and then Sponsored Ad Reports. Once you're in the Reports section, you're going to create a report and you're just going to do the last 30 days, sponsored products, search term is my recommendation. Run that report, and then once it's done, you're going to come back and then it should be here and ready to download within around 5 minutes or less. Once you're there, you're going to have this beautiful report as long as you've been running ads, and this is where you can see, okay, what exactly are customers typing in to find your product. Make sure you click on that first column, click filter, right? And then what we're going to do is do it. You can do by campaign name if you want to filter it, or portfolio. Let's just do, we're going to do all the products right now are pretty much the same, so I'm not going to filter it by portfolio. But what you want to do is scroll over to the right, and now you're going to see the customer search term in column J. This is the actual search term customers are typing in when they see your product. So this is what they're typing in, and then they're clicking on your product, right? So we can actually see that data. We can see the 7-day sales, the ACOS, but what we want to do is just filter this. So I'm just going to hide a couple of these columns. I'm going to hide the click-through rate. I'm going to hide the clicks. And I'm just going to hide the impressions just so you can see everything. And then what you're going to do is filter it by the smallest to the largest ACOS. Oops, smallest to largest. Okay. So the smaller the ACOS, the better. As you can see on this, somebody typed in heavy duty, let me zoom in. Somebody typed in heavy duty grocery bags. Okay. We spent $2.93 and got $859 in return. That's completely insane. It's like spending $5 and somebody's giving you $1,000 in return. So this would be a great keyword that we could run for Amazon ads. So I'm just going to highlight this right now in orange, and you could find other keywords that you can use as well. But this is like a legit report from Amazon. You should be pulling this every 14 to 30 days. This should be your favorite report. Then all I recommend you do is just take this keyword. This one literally looks like a winning keyword. I got to implement it. Go into Campaign Builder and then go into Sponsored Products. And we're just going to make a Sponsored Products campaign. And then once you're here, you can change the ad group name to anything you want. So you can do, again, sites, Amazon and beyond, Amazon business. You can target different sites if you want. This one's new. Ads appear on Amazon, including both Amazon retail and Amazon business. Or you can just target B2B customers. I'm going to be targeting both. And then you just pick the one product, right? I always recommend just one product to start. Do manual targeting. You're going to do keyword targeting, enter list. And we're only going to be doing exact match because we know the customer typed in this exact keyword. So we're going to add this into here. Now, this should be the only keyword. So any keywords related to your product category, we're not going to add. And now we can literally target this keyword, right? We want to win for this. So this is pretty cheap. I'm just going to go to 52 cents right here, 0.52. So I can win this keyword. And we're going to do dynamic bids down only. And then we're going to name the campaign like one keyword exact. You're going to put the ASIN, and then you're going to put like a winning. I'm going to put STR. So this report is called the search term report. So I'll know, where did I get this one keyword? Oh, I got it from the search term report, right? And I'm going to put winning because I believe this is a winning keyword because this is just insane. This data, I spent pretty much $3. Made pretty much $900 in return. Completely insane, right? And then we want to have a solid daily budget. So we can start with $10 a day on this. And we don't want to do any beta programs, increase bids, or high traffic. We don't want to do that. But then we'll just launch the campaign and we'll monitor it. Make sure it's spending money because this type of ROI is completely insane. So it's good to put your winning keywords in separate campaigns. Because if what a lot of people do is they put multiple keywords in one campaign and then you don't know, and then all of a sudden this keyword, this one in red, oh, spends all the money and the winning keyword never gets to spend money, right? So you really want to kind of separate things. It's going to make things a lot easier for you. And last but not least, if your ads still aren't doing well, you should be looking at your actual listing. It might not be your ads, it might be your listing. Get a free listing audit. There's a link in the description. You can put in your ACE and your data. We'll look at all of your top competitors, see what they're doing, what their listing looks like compared to yours, because that does make a difference. If your listing looks great and is great, your ads are going to naturally do better. So just keep that in mind. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, a big service of ours is our Amazon advertising management service. We're going to come in, we're going to audit all of your listings first to make sure your listings are good. And then we're going to be running your ads. We're going to be making sure that your cost per click is going down, your ACOS is going down, your ROAS is going up, and try to help you receive results like spending $3 and making $1,000 in return. Now, we can't guarantee anything, but we will put all of our effort and all of our strategies into this to help you save money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.